What's the meaning of Afghan? Afghan. 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 The term Afghan has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In a general sense, it refers to people or things originating from Afghanistan, a country located in South Asia. The word can also be used to describe the Pashtun ethnic group that makes up a significant portion of the Afghan population. Additionally, it can refer to a type of hound dog that was historically bred in Afghanistan. Overall, the term Afghan is a broad term that can refer to various cultural and geographical aspects related to Afghanistan.